Hi everyone, let's learn how to fix Steam error from validate password. Make sure the Steam account on your phone is updated. So from your Steam Guard account, sign in and then tap Move Authenticator, wherein they will verify you by sending a code to your phone, and just copy that and then tap in here to tap Verify Code and wait for it to load. We'll now take a screenshot of that. Okay. So it will be accessing your camera. So just take a screenshot to scan that QR code, and then go to your settings and tap Manage Apps. And you can actually tap Steam here and tap for the cache. You can clear all the datas in here for you to save up and load the Steam app. And I hope this will work. However, if not, the last solution is for you to uninstall and reinstall the application again. So once you have uninstalled it from the settings, you can now reinstall, going back to your Play Store and then open it. So hope this solution will help. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.